morning, kids. Welcome back to session number 3. Now we are going to start our new session. We are going to do revision of our concept and going to solve the worksheet which I have given you in our last session, session number 2. So kids, let's start with the revision. In today's revision, I am going to show you some flashcards one more time. Kids, as you can see, watermelon and lemon. Now, you know the difference between big and small. So now, you tell me which one is big in size and which one is small in size. Anyone remember this? Yes, the lemon is small in size and the watermelon is big in size. Kids, I want to tell you something, that watermelon and lemon both are very healthy in summer season. Every day you should have 1 glass of lemon water, and every alternate day you should have a watermelon. Next we are having scissors. Kids, tell me, which scissor is big in size? Yes, the red one is big in size and the blue one is small in size. Now, here comes umbrellas. Tell me, which umbrella is small in size? Yes, the yellow umbrella is small in size and the orange and blue umbrella is big in size. Now here we are having candy jars. Now tell me, which jar is big in size? Yes, this jar is big in size and this is small in size. Kids, here is our worksheet with the solution. Now, let me explain you that how I have solved this. In first row, we are having 3 circles of different sizes. As you can see, the first circle is smallest in size. I have colored it with red. Same way in second row, the middle triangle is smallest in size. So, I have colored it with green color. Same way, the third row, the triangle is in purple color. The third triangle, the smallest one. In fourth row, we are having middle square with smallest size. So I have colored it with yellow. In last row, the first rectangle is the smallest one. So, I have colored it with pink. Hope you all have done this worksheet with the help of your parents. Hope you all liked the video and enjoying the online studying session. Now we are going to meet in our next session with new concept and learning with fun and activities. Thank you. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care.